So we have discussed what is autocomplete text view and buttons and different types of buttons. And basically we have discussed about the image button and the text button. Okay, so here we are going to create two text fields and one button for sum of two numbers. If user clicks button, sum of two input value is displayed on the toast. Toast means whatever the text or whatever the value the user has entered, we are showing it as a toast to the user, that is toast value. So here we are going to create two text fields and one button for sum of two numbers, and once click on the button like add button, sum of two input value is displayed to the user. So your output will be look like this. These are the two text fields. Here user will be going to enter one value, this is second value, and once click on this add button, it is going to show addition of these two numbers. Then go to your Android Studio, create new project, and after that go to activity underscore main.xml file. So here first I have used one edit text. This is the unique identification of the edit text, that is unique ID is assigned to edit text. After that I have another edit text, again ID, unique ID is assigned to that edit text because I want two text fields for two numbers. Now here you can see that the Android input type is number, because here we are going to enter number. If I want to enter some characters, that time input type will be character. So here input type is number for both the edit text, that is text 1 and text 2, and these are the x and y coordinates of that particular edit text field. And after that I want one button to add these two numbers that we are going to enter in edit text field. So again I have mentioned one unique identity to that button. Then again height and width of that button is wrap content, and now here Android text is add. Now I want to show button with text on. Okay, here I don't want to show image button, here I want to show button with text on, and the text of that button is add. So this is the by default coding which is come up with the edit text and button field when I drag and drop edit text and button into my layout design. But here we have to enter some few more lines like Android input type number. This line is added by me. Again Android text add, this line we have to add. This is not a by default line come up with android.xml file. Okay, so this is the coding for addition of two numbers by using button. After doing this, just click on run button and your Android virtual device going to run, and this will be your output. So now when you enter first edit text as a number 100 and second edit text you have entered number 200, and once you click on this add button it is going to add these two numbers, that is 100 and 200. So your output will be 300. Okay, so this is your button. So we have seen two buttons in this particular lecture, image button and text button. Okay, then after that we have seen how to use this button. For that we have created one mobile application which is containing two text fields for two numbers, because we have mentioned the Android input type as a number. It means that we are going to enter number in this particular text field, and after that we have one button for the addition of these two numbers, and once the user click on that button it is going to show addition of these two numbers to the user. Now next let's see toggle button. So toggle button displays check or uncheck states as a button. So it is basically an on or off button with a light indicator. It means that toggle button, Android toggle button can be used to display check or uncheck, that means on or off state on button. It is beneficial when user have to change the setting between two states. State means on state or off state. So it is useful when user want have to change the setting between these two states, that is on and off. It can be used to on or off sound. It can be used for Wi-Fi. It can be used for the Bluetooth, etc. Since Android 4.0, there is another type of toggle button called switch that provides slider control. So let's see what are the basic properties of toggle button. So the first property is disable alpha. So this is the alpha to apply to the indicator when disabled. So this property is used as a so this property is apply when indicator is disabled. Then text off. This is the text for the button when it is not checked. So we use this property when text is off or the toggle button. Then next one is text on. This property is used when button is on. We can also refer it in a simple way like mobile data. So you toggle it on or off. If toggle on, it says turn it off. Now let's see how to add toggle button. For that, you have to just drag and drop toggle button from your layout. Then assign unique identity to your toggle button. Then layout width and height is a wrap content. Now Android text. Now here we are going to use two Android text. One is text on and one is text off. After that, another toggle button. We have toggle buttons, second toggle button. Again, unique identity assigned to that button. Then again, the toggle button 2. We have two text, that is text off and text on. And after that, we have one simple button, that is text button, and which is having text submit. And this is the unique identification of that button. So once doing this much of coding, the output will going to show like this, that is on and off. So we have two buttons. This one is this is button 1, this is button 2, and we have set Android text off, Android text on, properties on. So when your state is on, it is going to show on. When your state is off, it is going to show off. And likewise button 2, when your state is off, it is going to show text off. When your state is on, it is going to show text on. And this is a particular submit button. So once you click on submit, it is going to show that the status of toggle button 1 is on and the status of toggle button 2 is off. Okay, so this is about the toggle button. So for what we use toggle button? Toggle button is basically used to display check or uncheck states of button, and it is beneficial when users want to change the state setting between two states, that means setting between on and off state. And it is basically used for the on or off sound. It is basically used for turning on and off your Wi-Fi. It is basically used for your hotspot, Bluetooth, etc. And we can also refer it in a simple way like your mobile data when you toggle it on or off. So this is the function of toggle button, and simply by dragging and dropping toggle button into your layout and just by clicking the properties of that layout, you can also edit the properties of your toggle button rather than typing code in and activity underscore main.xml file. So this is about the example of image button, text button and toggle button.